I've been asked to demonstrate how I use Class Dojo in my class. What I have got in front of you is a screenshot of my Level 1 IT group. You'll notice I've made avatars for all my students, and next to each student's names you can see a certain number. One of the things I'm going to show you is that how I use this to monitor my students and praise them in a lesson. Now, let me give you a simple example. I've started my lesson, and just after I've done my induction to the session and showed them the objectives of the lesson, I switch screens and present this on the board. And while they're doing their activities, I would monitor them and actually praise them according to how they interact. Now let's use Charlie as an example. So I might go up to Charlie and then click on this, and while he's doing his work, I could probably award him for: is he helping out? Is he on task? Is he participating in if it was a group activity? Is he persistent, trying to working hard? Is he a team player, or is he generally just working hard? Now on the flip side, Charlie could be doing something naughty, for example, disrespect, being late, no homework, off task, doing something silly, talking out of turn, unprepared, and the most common one, mobile use. Let's say he did something positive. For example, I asked him a question and he participated in the activity, so I can give him 1 point, and instantly it appears on the screen. The whole class can see that Charlie's joining in with the activities and participating in classroom activities. Now during the lesson, I've suddenly noticed Yusuf in the corner taking his phone out. So instead of challenging him directly, I could go on my device, click on here and choose mobile use, and again that flags up and the whole class can see that Yusuf has got a -1 and it disappears. It takes it away from his grand total. At the end of the lesson, what I could do is click on view reports, and when I evaluate the lesson with the class, I can say, look, well done everybody, most of you did a lot of teamwork today, most of you were on time. We had an incident of somebody using the mobile phone, and then we can address that between ourselves, and hopefully the students would peer monitor the whole class and address the issue. Okay, it's a very simple app to use. It's available on all platforms, online through tablets, Apple, iOS, and also the web. And it's a free account, so all members of staff should be able to use it without any problem, and it's very easy to set up. I hope this is useful. You're welcome to ask any questions later on or come and see me, and I'll happily